Greetings class and welcome to Marketing 2290 Marketing OBI. I'm your instructor, Mrs. Caldwell, and I want to tell you a bit about the course and kind of walk you through Blackboard as well as my expectations. So first I want to start off by discussing the class. This class is a little different. It is like an independent study. Students will either have an internship or a project. The internships do have to be pre-approved prior to the start of the semester. So if you have not received pre-approval for an internship, then you will be completing the project. There's approvals that have to be signed all the way up to our president. So it is a process. To start off, to just kind of give you a little information about Blackboard. This is your announcement screen. Of course, you want to check this periodically to make sure you're not missing any information about the class or any due dates. Then we'll go into the no-show assignment. You must complete this no-show assignment or you will be removed from the class. You'll be taken off the roll. So you want to complete this Blackboard orientation video and then complete the quiz. And I know that you do this in every class, but you have to complete it for every class. Also complete your work ethics quiz. In addition, there is a work ethics assignment in this class. Now, for this class, we do have, instead of a course calendar, we have key dates, as well as the course syllabus. So I will go through that with you. Pardon the slowness of my computer here. Technology. Just to tell you a little bit about the class, it's a little different because you won't, I know many of you are accustomed to weekly assignments. This is a course, if you're completing the project, you will work on this throughout the whole term. And the project is worth a total of 90%. So you want to make sure that you spend a lot of time and energy on the project. The syllabus you'll see, this will tell you a little bit about the class. And there is not a book required for this course. However, there is a recommended reading here. You will see information about me. Of course, I'm not on campus. We are virtual this term. I'm virtual this term. You must complete your no-show assignment by this Sunday, January 17th at midnight. And just as a reminder, assignments are not accepted late. So basically, you will have two assignments. You have your work ethics assignment and you will have your project. So it's very important that you get both of those completed. Now, the proctored event for this course will be a presentation for your final project, and it will be virtual, and it will be completed on Tuesday, April 28th between 11 and 2, and you will need to set up a time slot, and I will be sending out more information on that in the near future. So you want to schedule a time that day to present your project virtually with me, and I will again be giving out more details on that. That is Lockdown Browser information. In this class, you will not be using Lockdown Browser. You will be doing a presentation. Now, key dates for the course. You will see that, of course, your no-show is due by the 17th. Work ethics is due by the 14th. It is a discussion board. And your project is due on the 26th. And then your presentation is due on the 28th of April. Okay. Now, other information, Instructor Contact. This is just about me and how to reach me. Course information. Here you will find this video for your reference, as well as information on Lockdown Browser. Again, we won't use it in this course, but it is good information because many courses do use Lockdown Browser now as their proctored event. Course content. You will notice the modules. basically in this class, the most important module is Module 1. So ensure that you read through all of the information, and you will see the practicum, which is the project requirement. So the rest of the documents are for an internship. Okay, so just be sure to read through all of the practicum requirements. I'm going to try to open it up here. Again, my computer's slow. Okay, so it is a job search and career exploration project. You want to create a resume. Also, you want to create a account with Purple Briefcase, which is through GPTC Career Center. You also want to complete an information interview. This is the information. Do job leads, research companies. This going to the occupational website for the U.S. Department of Labor, completing that portion, and then career exploration, and then a realistic calendar that documents activities you would engage in. For instance, attending a job fair, networking, etc., etc., and then career profiles. You would want to complete a LinkedIn profile and find me. My LinkedIn profile is in my instructor information, and then again, Purple Briefcase. So this is what you will be working on throughout the term. So again, it is very manageable in small chunks. Not something that I would attempt to do the week that is due. You will be stressed out. However, if you manage your time and do a little bit at a time, you should be able to put together an amazing presentation. And I do look forward to hearing from each of you with those. Course messages and email are great ways to reach me. My grades, of course, is where you see your grades. And then if we ever have to have a virtual meeting, we can always meet in my virtual office. So this is the information on Marketing 2290. Again, if you are taking this course, you are probably pretty close to completing your credentials, so congratulations. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Again, you may not hear from me as frequently as if you've taken classes from me. You're used to probably hearing from me weekly. You will probably only hear from me periodically. But do reach out if you have any questions. I will periodically put up reminders regarding your projects. So please reach out if you have any questions, and I look forward to a great semester.